Hello, today I am here with an informative video for the candidates who are looking BSc Nursing admission under government sector. Government seats are highly demanded because of their fee structure and the quality of education. Some may not know how to take admission. Definitely this video will help them. Under Government of India, Central government and state government are providing study opportunities like AIMS, NIMHANS, etc. Every states are reserving some sort of government seats for their citizens. Today we can make a look over how to get BSc Nursing admission under government sector in Kerala. Actually 2023 admission notification not yet published. Remember, candidates are required to go through the updated prospects carefully and acquaint themselves with all the relevant informations. Candidates are also requested to visit the official website of LBS Center, that is www.lbscenter.kerala.gov.in, regularly for the notifications and announcement. Along with that, through our channel we will notify you when any updating happen. For that, don't forget to subscribe our channel and enable the bell notification, which will notify you when we are uploading a new video, and write to us with the comment section. Kerala Government BSc Nursing admission is carried through the LBS Center. I will add the website address in the description box. Different courses like Bachelor of Science in Nursing, that is BSc Nursing, and Bachelor of Science in Medical Laboratory Technology, that is BSc MLT, and Bachelor of Science in Perfusion Technology, that is BSc Perfusion Technology, and Bachelor of Science in Medical Radiological Technology, that is BSc MRT. Another one, Bachelor of Science in Optometry, BSc Optometry, and Bachelor of Physiotherapy, BPT, and Bachelor of Audiology and Speech Language Pathology, BASLP, and Bachelor of Cardiovascular Technology, BCVT, and Bachelor of Dialysis Technology, BSc DT, and Bachelor of Occupational Therapy, that is BOT. Those courses merit admission is conducted through LBS. Admission to the above courses are regulated on the basis of the merit as assessed in the rank list prepared based on the marks obtained in the final year qualifying examinations after having the normalization procedure. Then I will tell you the difference between the management seat and the government seats. First, government seats. They are available in all government colleges and government controlled self-financing colleges, and in the private self-financing colleges that are willing to share their 50% of the seats with the government. Then I will tell about the management seats. The management seats other than the government seats filled up by the management as per the interest merits, and the changes can be made only the government approval. Then I will tell you about the duration of the BSc Nursing course. As we know, that is 4 years and it is based on the semester wise. Other than that, if clinical training facility is specified for the courses and it will be the part of the course, and the students is not eligible to get the stipend during such training period. Colleges, courses and the seats are subject to additions and deletions as per the direction from the government, KNMC, KUHAS and INC. Then I will tell you about the reservation of the seat. Out of the total seats available for the various courses, seats will be reserved in different categories. In the government colleges, 50% are for the state's merits, means general category. Other 10% for the forward community members belongs to the EWS category. Then the 30% reserved to the SCBC category, means socially and educationally backward classes. Again, some classes are there that you can find it when applying. Then the next 10% scheduled caste and the scheduled tribes, so we can use the opportunities. Then I will tell the criteria of eligibility for admission. First one is nativity. Only Indian citizens are eligible for the admission to the professional courses unless otherwise notified. Candidates seeking admissions to the courses will be categorized as Kerala-lite and non-Kerala-lite category. Then I will tell about the academic eligibility. For BSc Nursing should have passed high secondary examination conducted by the Board of Higher Secondary Education Kerala, or the examination equivalent to the or it approved by the Kerala University of Health Science Thrissur, and should have separate minimum pass mark of physics, chemistry, biology and the 50% mark for physics, chemistry, biology put together. The Vocational Higher Secondary Examination Kerala has been recognized as equivalent to the Higher Secondary Examination Kerala. Then I will tell you about how to apply. Application for the admission to the courses like BSc Nursing, BSc MLT, BSc Perfusion Technology, BSc Optometry, BPT, BCVT, BASLP, BSc MRT, BSc Dialysis Technology, BOT can be registered only online through the single application. The provision for applying online is available at the website that I will given in the description box. Submission of more than one application by a candidate will lead to the rejection of the candidature. Regarding the application fees, it was 800 in the last year. It may change. Candidate has to visit the website and do the registration. If the data is filled completely after confirming that all the information is given correct and true, and then click the save and continue button to complete the registration process. In the next step, the candidate has to make the payment of the application fees by the way of online payment or by the way of challan. A registration ID will be provided to the candidate. Candidate should note the registration ID and the password which are required for the future login. Candidate should keep them confidential too. The candidate should fill all the remaining items in the application entry stage, including academic data. After completing this step, the candidate can preview the application before confirmation and the submission. Do not send the printout of the application form and the supporting documents to the sender. Then now I will tell you what are the documents needed for applying. So the first one is scanned copy of the relevant page of SSLC or equivalent certificates to prove the date of birth, and it is mandatory. Then next is the scanned copy of certificate in the proof of nativity, that is also mandatory. Then scanned copy of the mark list of qualifying examinations. Then the next one is scanned copy of community certificate obtained from the Tahsildar in case of SC/ST candidates. Other supporting documents also need to apply. Then the next step is publishing the normalization data after the initial screening. So the candidates must verify these details. Next step is the preparation of rank list. Rank list will be prepared on the basis of the mark obtained by the candidates for physics, chemistry, biology put together at the final year of the qualifying examination. Rank list will be published in the website on the date notified. Next step is centralized allotment process and the registration. Trial allotment based on the options registered up to the specific time point. A trial allotment will be published. Candidates may add, delete or rearrange their options based on the results of the trial allotment. There is no guarantee that the result of the trial allotment will be retained in the actual allotment. Next, about the final allotment. There will be 3 regular online allotment. After each allotment, the candidates can pay the required fee or additional fees as indicated in the fees payment slip, which will be available for the download from the student's homepage. And the fee can be paid using the fee payment slip or by online. Those candidates who fail to remit the fee before the date specified will lose their current allotment as well as their chance to participate in remaining regular allotment. The provisional allotment memo will be available after the 3rd allotment, only the candidate's homepage. So the candidate can take a printout of this memo to be presented at the time of admission in the college. The candidate are to join the college only after a 3rd allotment as per the prescribed schedule, which will be shown in the allotment memo. After that, candidate can join in their college. Then now I am going to tell about the fee structure. In the last year, government colleges per year tuition fees was approximately 22,000. Now I will just tell the government institution names for your awareness. That is Government College of Nursing, Alappuzha, Government College of Nursing, Kannur. When I am talking about this, I feel proud because I am a student from there. Then Kozhikode, Kottayam, Government College of Nursing, Thrissur, തിരുവനന്തപുരം ഗവൺമെൻറ് കോളേജ് ഓഫ് നഴ്സിംഗ്, കൊച്ചി, എറണാകുളം. I hope it is clear and useful for all. I will update you when any notifications get. If you need any additional information regarding this, you can contact us through the WhatsApp, mail or Instagram. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and share this with your nursing aspirants. So work hard for studying your dream institution.